Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made our deen so easy to follow. It's just a matter of understanding the depth and essence of this deen and follow it, implement it, and establish it. And wajahidu means is striving in the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Clearly called us as a chosen nation and the middle nation that came in between the previous nations and the Yawm al-Qiyamah. As it comes with an obligation, it's supposed to enjoin the truth and forbid the evil. We need to ensure that every single person we come across understand what is right, what is wrong, what is justice, what is unfairness, and what is fairness. This is the core essence of our deen. If we don't do that, we're not actually doing our job as the Khalifa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on this earth. So we need to ensure that in our daily life, in our work, in our family, in our environment, in our institutions, and every table we actually sit at, we need to only speak the haqq, condemn the evil. Injustice, unfairness, tyranny, oppression, any wrong thing caused against anybody, by anybody, should be called out for. And you should be the first one as believers to do that.